Baltimore is an incredibly creative town. It's unafraid to reinvent itself over and over and over again. The most unique thing about Baltimore is the art. It's just everywhere. The Walters Art Museum is a staple. It is a phenomenal space with a consistent showing of art. The American Visionary Art Museum is one of those places where you can find some of the most creative, unique, and different art pieces you've ever seen. So the Peabody Library is filled with books. It's just intoxicating to be around that many. It's a really great place to go and kind of check some stuff out. The National Aquarium is a really great place to come and check out. It is filled with over 20,000 animals. It is consistently labeled as one of the top 3 aquariums in the country. What makes Baltimore's waterfront so special is that it's filled with life. You can stroll along the harbor and check out all of the different shops, check out all the huge ships. Taking a water taxi is another great way to see the city. Fells Point, it's like walking through time. It's really quite beautiful. And you're right along the water. You can take the water taxi right over. You can kind of sit along the water there too. That's a really nice place to kind of just mellow out. Now, if you want to eat in Baltimore, you got to get crab cakes. Captain James is one of those places that is extremely unique, and people always want to go to it when they come. It's actually shaped like a ship. The city is filled with all different types of breweries, and just outside of the city, we have the Guinness Brewery. It's the first Guinness brewery in the US since the 1950s. I love Baltimore because of its resilience, its artistry, its originality, and it's so funky.